Most people think they've already seen every cool gadget Amazon has to offer, but 2026 is different. Because these gadgets don't just look cool, they quietly fix problems you deal with every single day today. I'm showing you 18 brand new Amazon gadgets that feel futuristic, save time, and actually upgrade your daily life. If you love smart gadgets, hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and let's jump right in. You know how annoying it is to juggle keys and wallets, especially when you're rushing out the door. The Tile Ultra Max Tracker 2026 boosted range fixes that with insane coverage and faster finding speeds. Slip it into your wallet, backpack, or pet's collar and track everything with ultra-precise directions on your phone. The moment you step away from something valuable, your phone pings you. And when you're close, a directional arrow guides you straight to it. It doesn't just find lost things, it prevents panic. If your productivity setup still feels like it's from last decade, this gadget will make you rethink your workspace entirely. The ViewSonic 27-inch 4K PLED Portable Touch Monitor 2026 gives you an ultra-crisp touchscreen display that works with laptops, phones, and tablets instantly. It's bright, color-accurate, and responsive enough for design work, presentations, streaming, or split-screen productivity. It flips from horizontal to vertical in seconds, and the USB-C connection handles power, video, and touch in one cable. Work, play, or present. This screen makes every task feel premium. Most flashlights are just flashlights. This one feels like it's from the future. The Fenix TK30R Rechargeable Tactical Light 2026 delivers over 4,500 lumens with adaptive beam spread that intelligently widens or narrows based on distance. Built-in thermal management keeps it cool and consistent, and the USB-C rechargeable battery means no wasted AA cells. But here's the part that gets people every time. It has a magnetic tail cap that clicks onto metal surfaces and becomes a workshop or camping light instantly. One tool that feels smart in every scenario. Ever noticed how your desk chair feels great for 5 minutes and awful an hour later? The Ergotune Supreme Smart Office Chair 2026 solves that by learning how you sit. Pressure sensors, adaptive lumbar support, and micro adjustments throughout the day make posture support automatic instead of manual. It even syncs with your calendar. Long meetings trigger posture boosts, breaks trigger gentle reminders to stand, and the result is less fatigue, better core support, and fewer "why is my back killing me" moments. You don't just sit, your chair supports you. Everything tastes better when it's crisp and cold, but traditional wine chillers are slow and noisy. The Caravine Chill 360 wine cooler uses adaptive thermoelectric cooling to chill wine bottles perfectly within minutes, with silent operation and an LED display for exact temperature control. Whether you're hosting guests or unwinding after a long day, you no longer gamble with guess and hope cooling. It's precision chill at the flick of a button. Phones slide off desks, look awkward in meetings, and fall while you're eating. The Spigen MagFit Twist Stand 2026 solves it with a magnetic base that rotates your phone 360 degrees and holds it at perfect angles for video calls, recipes, or watching content. The magnetic locking is strong yet smooth, and the aluminum design feels premium instead of cheap plastic. One gadget and suddenly every phone on-desk moment feels intentional instead of precarious. If you've ever sat down to work and instantly felt overwhelmed by background noise, this next gadget changes the game entirely. The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds to 2026 ANC aren't just another pair of earbuds. They listen to your environment and adapt noise cancellation in real time. Walk from a quiet room into a busy hallway, and the sound level adjusts before you even notice it. Calls become crystal clear, music suddenly feels full and rich, and that constant fight between silence and distraction? Gone. These aren't earbuds you use occasionally. They become the reason you stay focused, calm, and in control no matter where you are. You probably think your wall outlets are fine until you meet the Morose Smart Power Strip 6 Sport Matter. This isn't just a power strip. It's a nerve center for everything plugged into your home. 6 individually controllable outlets with USB-C and USB plugs let you automate lamps, fans, gaming rigs, and even air purifiers. The real hook is Matter support, so voice commands, routines, and automations run instantly without lag. Want your lights and diffuser to turn on when you unlock the front door? Done. This is the kind of smart power upgrade that stops you from thinking about outlets ever again. Your home might already feel smart, but it's missing the part that protects your peace of mind. The Wisecom X3 Ultra Security Camera isn't just another camera. It analyzes motion with AI that actually understands context. Instead of alerting you every time a leaf blows by, it tells you when a person, pet, or vehicle enters your property and highlights the movement path on your phone. Night vision runs crisply without washing out details, and real-time alerts feel fast instead of spammy. When your home starts predicting threats instead of guessing, your stress drops, and that's when smart tech feels truly smart. Standard motion sensors either don't see you or pester you with false alarms. The Philips Hue Smart Motion Sensor 2.0 changes that by combining motion detection with ambient light and presence cues, so lights only come on when they should, not when random shadows flick by. It works seamlessly with Hue lights, scheduling routines, and even automations tied to your daily behaviors. Walk into your home at night and the lights greet you instead of startling you. That kind of flow makes daily life feel effortless instead of segmented. You think your charging cables are fine until you try the Native Union Night Cable Duo USB-C Plus Lightning 2026 edition. This cable doesn't just charge, it survives. Braided, tangle-free, and reinforced at every stress point, it's designed to last for thousands of bends without fraying or slowing charge speeds. The thoughtful design makes it feel premium in hand, and once you stop replacing cheap cables every few months, you actually start trusting your gear instead of guessing whether your cable will hold up today. Your floors deserve tech sophistication, and the DreamBot L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum Plus Mop delivers exactly that. This next-gen cleaner doesn't just roll around randomly, it maps your home in intelligent zones, adjusts suction power based on floor type, and even washes itself with minimal input. Thick carpets get extra lift, hard floors get systematic mopping, and the base station handles dirty water and refills clean water without you touching a thing. It's the kind of cleaning upgrade that makes the rest of your chores feel optional if you carry tech everywhere you go. This gadget will save you unexpected stress. The Bellray Tech Kit Compact 2026 organizes cables, adapters, SSDs, and earbuds in one low-profile case that fits your bag or backpack pocket. No more rooting around for the right cable or adapter mid-meeting. What makes this organizer stand out is how quickly it disappears into a routine. When you open it, everything is exactly where you left it, every time. It's one of those subtle upgrades that quietly eliminates little frustrations you don't even notice until it's gone. Phones have become our command centers, but mounting them in cars often feels clunky. The Scotch Magic Mount Pro Charge 2026 clamps firmly to vents or dash surfaces, holds your phone securely with magnets, and wirelessly charges it while you navigate. The surprising part is how stable it stays even on bumpy roads, and how easy it is to pop the phone in and out with one hand. No more charging cables dangling or awkward clips falling off. Just smooth, effortless power and visibility. Ever wonder why your workspace still feels cluttered even when it's clean? The Satechi Dock 5 multi-device charging station Pro fixes that invisible chaos. It charges phones, tablets, earbuds, and laptops simultaneously, vertically, so your desk stays open and distraction-free. Power delivery is fast, smart, and regulated so nothing overheats. What makes this gadget dangerous is how fast it becomes essential. The moment you stop hunting for outlets and cables, you realize how much mental energy clutter was stealing from you. Smart locks are supposed to feel secure, but most still feel dumb. The Agora Smart Lock U300 Matter-enabled changes the game with fingerprint unlock, phone access, temporary digital keys, and full smart home integration. No more hiding keys or worrying who copied one. You can see exactly who entered and when, and even automate locks based on routines. The subtle confidence of knowing your door handles itself quietly in the background is something you only appreciate once you have it. Most power banks lie about speed. The Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank 2,500 output doesn't. This thing charges laptops, phones, tablets, and even cameras at the same time without slowing down. A smart display shows real-time wattage, temperature, and remaining power, so you're never guessing. It's heavy, yes, but that weight translates to freedom. Airports, cafes, power outages, suddenly none of them control your workflow anymore. Your home air might look clean, but what you can't see matters more. The Dyson Purifier CoolGen to 2026 doesn't just filter, it actively monitors pollutants, allergens, and temperature, adjusting airflow automatically. The airflow feels natural, not forced, and the app quietly gives you insights without overwhelming you. When breathing cleaner air becomes effortless, you stop thinking about it, and that's when tech is doing its job right. Conclusion: that's a wrap on 18 of the coolest Amazon gadgets of 2026. These aren't just toys, they solve real problems, make life easier, and add that wow factor to your daily routine. From smart home upgrades to fun tech that actually works, these gadgets quietly change everything. If even one of these blew your mind, imagine what life could feel like with the rest. Hit subscribe so you never miss the latest gadget drops, and check the description for all the buy links before they sell out. Which gadget would you grab first? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to see your pics.